Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV, East African Cup of Nations. Bafana 0, Egypt 1. I'm joined by Kolani from Sizokuthola.
I know. Stibo,
Sure.
thank you. Okay, Kala, thank you very much for the invite to the studio.
Yes, my brother, yes,
it
my
means a lot out
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
It means a lot.
Sure.
And today vele bengize ngifuna ukuthi ngizophakamisa ama-flowers. Ngizogayana ngama-flowers.
Sure.
Ama-fans wethu TV ne-crew yakho, you guys are doing isipane sinye mfana. Yeah, you are. You keeping South Africa on their toes. Yabona manje that rival stories, Kaizer Chiefs, Sundowns. Yeah, like spirits of football is back in fact because of our fans way too. You guys are doing a wonderful job. And Pagamise futhi nkayane ngama-flowers to Helman Kelele no Babu Bruce. Yeah. Malume, there was a time where mekudlala squad South Africa like bekufana nokuthi kudlala Chinese news whereby we wouldn't even come and watch soccer but manje noma wenzani fit you are able to say guys ngiyobukela idisk no move you want to watch soccer so umadala une mandate umadala uze la unespan ugayi wispan fana nasespanini une mandate his mandate is to win games as a coach not to come and impress abantu, you understand. Yigo asiyesipani. I don't want to be saying abobani. I'm just talking about abantu, including myself.
Okay.
Whereby isipani sakhe ukuthi azo win ama games. They've been doing good. Na today, okay, coming back to game ya vandag. Mbogazi. TLB. My man of the match.
Why?
Beka njengoba ngishilo when before the game started ukuthi uMbogazi uyakwazi ukuthi i-defense uya control uMbogazi. U-defense uya control uMbogazi going to phambili the front Forster being greedy ngesinye isikhathi awuthi the only time azophasa ibhola meka ku awkward position but yabona mozospanisa istrike esifana nabo Mahopa uMahopa ukwazi ukuthi amove nama defend yiko bazothi mele understand ukuthi uMahopa udlala kanjani yiko bazothi uMahopa istrike esingakori ngesinye isikhathi uyistriker but idominance yakhe mega attack ukwazi ukumove avulela amanye ama player yiko kaningi ithi ngathinti Pirates awuthi yiko kaningi ubona iPirates izokora ngama winger phinde futhi ikore ngama defense aloka khona uMahopa because uMahopa ukwazi ukuthi yabona vandag going back to the game ya vandag coach gave his all. Our players gave their all. Sure. That red card worked against us because it manje semosha the strategy thina besize ngaso. Egypt ithe ithola le red card. They changed the formation yabo. They were defending too deep when Stibo. Sure. They were defending too deep and njengoba bengishilo ukuthi bese sidinga ama player aslim. Yabona impact change la yenzile ngokufaka umbule ngokuzofaka nomfukeng but they were defending too deep when Steve
but
ispanile nyana but futhi i-red card yabo it worked good advantage because uRevruphane nge-red card waba yi-player less 10 yena ngaphakathi sibanjwe ngewashini Steve 99
le penalties khuluming ngaRootman
but ubaba wethu uhleli lapha ya ipresident uhleli nemedia yakhe next to yena uyabona izinto ezisoze ayenzeka mfethu akayikhuluma leyana ipenalty it's a straight penalty
bekumela
khale Steve but otherwise mfethu Monday isibhekane neZimbabwe ama neighbor wethu bayazi into emele bayenze siyacela bafethu sisanicela kahle asifuna ukuza sisiza ngempi Zimbabwe vulani bafethu Steve otherwise anginakuningi ngizokusho I'm grateful and fit for the opportunity ukuthi ngizokwazi ukublow my studio bafethu keep on doing this good job
sure Anytime Rodman namanje uzokali ngiyacela.
Ngizovela Steve.
Uzozoka.
Sure Steve.
Thank you.
Thank you Steve. Sure Steve.